Yeah, you
Oh.
can. Yes.
Okay, so hi Aditi.
Hello, Sonam. How are you?
I'm good, dear. What about you?
Yeah, I'm also fine.
So, as I know you very well, but for my viewer, don't know anything about you. So, just little bit introduce yourself.
Yeah, yeah, sure, sure. So, as you may already know, my name Aditi, and I'm from
Yes.
Lucknow, and currently I'm pursuing bachelor's. And apart from these, I love to play badminton and chess, and I love solving puzzles, which will help me to boost up my confidence. And yeah, I already mentioned, like you already know. Nowadays,
Yes.
currently, I'm working as a campus ambassador at IMUN, International Model United Nations. And
Okay.
so, do you know about IMUN?
No, dear, because I just
Okay.
know the thing only for your side. I don't know anything about. So, just little bit explain
Yeah,
what is this.
sure. I'll explain to you. So let me tell you
Okay.
first. So IMUN is an international model United Nation organization, and it is a simulation of United Nation conference where a lot of students came across together and they share their ideas through, which is related to like women empowerment and gender equality, labor law, child labor. And nowadays, it's pandemic going, so we usually discuss that topic only to pass a suitable resolution. Yeah.
Okay. So, like,
Yeah.
what kind of like a facility they will provide for all the people? I
So
couldn't understand.
yes. Okay. So we are providing conferences for the people uh,
Oh,
to
okay,
to get to know more about IMUN and what is it, and what we can do on these organizations. Yeah. And we provide conferences for 2 days. Like anyone, Shonam, anyone can join this conference, and they will get to know more about benefit from their future.
okay. Like they are like a guiding for like I can say the personality development kind of thing they will do. They are doing.
No, not personality, but yeah, but you can say like this only. So
Okay.
there on that conference, we'll discuss like we'll find global issues topic, and there we'll discuss on that topics and all around the world. So like you can say like from Malaysia, the there and Japan. So all those peoples there. Mm.
Okay, okay. Because I
So
just know you
yes,
know the things for only for you, but I don't know anything about this. What
yeah,
how we
yeah,
like
yeah,
connect with this thing and how we like what the like use for us this platform. So I want to everything. So if the people are like watch our video, so they will be know okay this thing is for their side is
yeah,
benefited or no. So I
yeah,
just
yeah,
want to
yeah,
know
yeah.
what's
If
the
yes,
benefit? What's the
yeah,
benefit
yeah.
for us?
So yes. So if the people, they if they will join, so it will help you to boost up your confidence. First of all,
Okay.
yeah, that's the main thing which I like in that conference. So it helped me a lot, and if the people they will join, so it helps them also, and it improves your networking skills, and it improves your like negotiation skills, and you meet lots of people around the world. So we'll get to know more
Okay.
about their culture. Yeah.
Okay. So I can say like we like boost our confidence, like a communication also,
Confidence,
and
communication,
like
yes, networking.
yes,
You can improve your networking also across the world, and you will
yes.
improve your public speaking. Public
Yes,
speaking.
yes. That's a very important thing because
Yeah,
we are very afraid about the public speaking. So I can
public
think this
speaking.
platform is it will be very good for as a public speaking. So
Yeah.
yeah, so I want to know like how to like connect this uh this how you connect with this all.
Okay, okay. So, where I found that I found on social media platform like on Instagram. So there I thought, yeah, I'll used to apply, and then I applied, and I just got selected from there, and they just took little interview. So in interview, I just got selected, and there. So nowadays I'm working here. Yes, I, and you
Okay,
already know some of my and you already know
okay.
some of my friends were attended, and I had posted on my status also, and they just like told me, yeah, yeah, because of you I learned lots of things, and they appreciated a lot to me, so I like that kinds of things, yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. You are doing like a very good thing for like awareing the people also. Like you can
Yeah,
like
yeah,
come
yeah.
in this and improve our like a communication skill also. Is a very, I can say
Yes,
nowadays is a very important thing. The communication is a
important for people,
very,
yeah, yeah,
yes,
it's
yes,
very
yes.
important for
So if
people's.
the people are using this kind of like a platform, so they will be improve our communication skill and aware about all the world what's going on and other things.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so I
what's
want to
going, yeah,
know,
what we can
like,
do on that organization. Yes.
yes, 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 is very correct. So if like you are like you visited the Instagram, then you find if like other people like me, if I want to like go this platform, so how I apply for this?
Okay, okay. So yeah, I have a registration form. So if the people if your viewers, so they want to apply for it, so they can contact me through my email ID. So where I'll provide registration forms and every kind of
Okay,
information there. Yeah, and
okay, okay.
yes,
Okay, so I definitely try to put the description box in your email ID. So if anybody is want, so they will be connect
yeah,
with
yeah,
you
they
and
can
join
join.
with this. Yes, yes. So yes, I like this. What you're like doing for your improvement and all that. So
Yes,
yes.
yes, Sonam. Yeah, yeah.
So yes. So nowadays, like in pandemic is going on, and what about your Lucknow is going on? It's good or like bad?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah. Nowadays it's going good, and nowadays I'm attending my classes, and I'm working also. So it's
Oh,
going
really?
well.
Now I can say you are going outside also.
No, 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 not going. Yeah, not going outside. Just
Okay,
sit at
only
home,
the
and from yeah, yeah, work from home. Everything is going, so we can't go. Yes.
okay, okay. I was thinking like you're going now the outside. That's why you're telling.
No, no,
Okay,
no,
so
Shona.
but
It's
but the
because of
situation is
pandemic, no. So
yeah, but the now the situation is like cases is increasing more in your Lucknow. So
yeah,
it will
yeah,
be
yeah, yeah,
increasing
yeah.
or like decreases.
No, no, no. Here, the cases are still rising, and a lot of people are dying day by day. And like, cause of shortage of oxygen, they are not finding any medical facility, and they are not finding,
Okay.
beds and all treatments. So, yeah, it's a nowadays very critical situation for the people, those who are affected from COVID-19. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. And here
Yes.
is Mumbai
What
also.
about there?
Same
Okay.
situation is going on dear. Nothing like we are like I can say the lock in home only for the
Yeah,
necessary
yeah,
things. So
yeah.
we can go outside. Otherwise, we are in like all the time
Yeah, just
stay in
simply
home.
sitting at home only. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes,
Okay.
yes. Hope so. Is
So
everything
your
fine?
office running.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
So your
As
office
you
running
know,
online or offline?
no, no, no.
Okay.
Actually, I was going daily. Yeah, my office is running
Oh
now.
my God.
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, that's good.
So
You are going
yes,
every day.
yes.
Hmm.
So I like actually. I am going office. I like because in home sitting we like I as you know I'm very bored work in home. That's why I was applying for this. At least I am going outside.
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
why.
You already told me that.
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes. Okay. So anything else, Aditi, want to say or about something
Yeah, yeah.
for
You
my
already
channel?
know me
For my
everything.
channel. like you know me, like
Yeah,
before I created my channel, I can say you're the
yeah,
my
yeah, yeah,
before like a practicing partner also. We are both
yeah,
practice
yeah.
our English conversation. So what about like
Yes,
any
yes,
suggestion
Sonam.
you want to give?
Yes, yes. Yeah, you improved a lot, and nowadays I'm watching your videos, and it is very helpful for us. So yeah, keep working hard there.
Yes, yes, yes. I will be
Yes.
try for my best to, and hope
Yeah,
so.
yeah,
Very soon I will be like become a good speaker. I was trying
yeah,
for
yeah.
this.
You will be. You will be. Yeah. Yes. Mm.
Yes, yes, yes. So what are you doing for your English improvement?
Nothing, Sonam. Nowadays I'm doing nothing because of
Oh,
like work and online classes. I'm doing nothing. Yeah. Yes. Some
okay.
of those times, yeah, I'd like to watch English movies. So if I found my leisure time, so at that time I were used to watch movies.
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah,
And as you know, because we made a WhatsApp group,
yeah,
so here is also like a lot of girls. So I want to
yeah.
say for yes, I
Yeah,
want to
they
say
are
the
willing to learn.
yes, yes. And my WhatsApp group you manage by you, so it will be thank you for you
Yeah, yeah.
managing my WhatsApp group.
It's
And
my pleasure, Sona. It's
yes,
my
yes,
pleasure.
you're doing a great job for me, I can say, and you like helping me a lot, I can say, for
Yeah,
my YouTube,
I'm
for
always there
my
to help you.
subscriber.
Don't worry. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes. So thank you so much for this, and I will try to add more and more people so we can improve our English also a lot.
Yes, yes, yeah. Okay.
Yes.
So
So
it was nice meeting with you, Sonam. Yeah.
me too,
Yeah,
dear. I
yeah.
was
We
always
planned, we planned from last, last 1 week, and now we
yes,
now we
yes.
met. Yeah,
I was very like excited when the Aditi and me like do this kind of thing, and I want to like show you this is my friend. When I don't have like any partner,
yeah,
you
yeah,
are here for me like
mm,
practicing English for my side. So
yeah,
I
yeah,
think I can't for like what to say, I can't forget you.
yeah,
Sorry.
yeah. Me too. Yeah,
Forgot you. Sorry, forgot you anytime because I always remember you. So yes, thank
yes,
you so much for this, and please connected with me a longer time.
yeah, Sonam. Yeah, I'll always there for you
Yes, yes, yes.
anytime.
Okay, okay, Aditi. So now
Okay,
it's time to say bye.
okay. Bye, bye, Sonam. Bye,
Okay, bye.
bye, bye.